Hello everyone. In this short video I will show you how to quickly cut a piece from a video in CapCut. Let's open our file in this area. Next, we drag this file to the lower editing area. Then, what do we need to do? Move this divider to the beginning of the moment we want to cut. Let's make it this one. Next, what do we need to do? We click on this C pleat symbol or press the Ctrl+B key combination. This will be the start of the file we want to cut. Next, we move the divider to the end of the episode we want to delete. Well, let's say it's here. And what we need to do is click this symbol, it's called gives a cut, or press the hotkey on the keyboard. Q. It's all. I hope this video was useful for you. I'm glad you stopped by. To my channel CyberGuideTV, I would greatly appreciate your like.